Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and this is a functionality proof for LG 55LX6500 or whatever it says that it is. There it is, 5600, no 65. And this one was serviced before, so we notified the customer we had to replace the main IC. It had the less common flux underneath it, the one that is yellow and very thick, and this one is not at all appropriate for reworking. So we had to replace the whole thing. Luckily the board did work, and we had an arrangement to show that it is working before we ship it back. So this is what you have. Alright, sound, and this is the HDMI going through our whatever Google plugin, and that's it. 55LX, not installed properly, not with all the cables, but configurable and everything. Hopefully that will be enough. Thank you very much, and hope it lasts reasonably long, though it won't be too long. Those are old, even with a new processor on it. It's not rebuilt. It is, I mean, they do come. We buy the processors. They come from China. My guess is I'm 100% certain that they're rebolting them there. But they're doing it way better than most companies, including ourselves, will do here. I would say commercial grade, but nevertheless they're rebuilt. They're lead-free. And hopefully will hold longer, but the PCB itself has been heated so many times it will start warping eventually, no matter what we do. And that plane here will change. It is not very ideal even as it is, and that's what causes the board to fail. So best of luck. We've done our job. Thanks.